Students, welcome to my channel Palak's English and Business Communication classes. Now let me first introduce myself to you all. I am Palak Keswani. I am from Bhopal, MP. I completed my education from here only. I take classes for students from classes 8 to the 12th. I also give English and Business Communication classes to BCom and BBA students, and I also take soft skill classes. And these classes will also be beneficial to you all if you are preparing for your government exams. Now let's come to my education part. I did my schooling from St. Joseph Convent School, and I did my graduation in BBA, and after that I completed my masters in English literature. Okay, now let's start with some basic concepts of English grammar. We'll discuss about chapter the sentence. Now let's start. Now what is the sentence? The definition of sentence says it is a group of words that makes complete sense. Now it implies any group of words which gives a correct meaning. It is called a sentence. We can take any sentence like the sun rises in the east, Nagpur is famous for its oranges, and all. Now let's discuss about kinds of sentences. Now you must be seeing why I have written semantic in the bracket. Now there are two kinds of sentences. First, it is on the basis of semantic kinds of sentences, and the other it is of structural kinds of sentences. And here I'll discuss about semantic types of sentences. Structural type of sentences I'll discuss in some other classes. Now semantic type of sentences is based on the meaning, and the structural type of sentences is based upon the purpose of analysis, like how the sentence is formed, what is the structure of sentences. And in semantic type of sentences we mainly throw light on the meaning of the sentences, and mainly in the books you have seen about the types of sentences as semantic only. It is assertive or declarative sentences, imperative, interrogative, affirmative, negative sentences, or exclamatory sentence. Let's discuss about the explanation of these types of sentences. First is declarative or assertive sentence. Now what are declarative sentences? Any normal sentence which declares or state facts or gives description about something. For example, Dr. Mohan teaches English, Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh, sun rises in the east, man is immortal, etc. Now second type of the sentences are imperative sentence. Any sentence which tells an order, a request, advice, command, direction, etc. are called the imperative sentence. For example, do not waste your time, please help the flood victims, please help me. It is a request. So these are imperative sentence. And one thing to note here is let is used at the beginning of the sentences which are used for the command. For example, let the manager talk to the director first, let's start at once. So sometimes the command sentences are used in an indirect way, and it starts with the let. Okay, I hope you are understanding, students. Other type of sentences are interrogative sentence. Now what are interrogative? Sentences which are used to make inquiries, and sentences which ask question marks. Mainly the question sentences are interrogative sentences. For example, can I help you? What shall we have for lunch? Where are we going for summer holidays? All those things. Affirmative sentences. Now any positive type of sentences, sentences which affirm something in a positive way, these are called positive or affirmative sentences. For example, the earth moves round the sun, Galileo invented the instrument to measure the pulse. Now if we see, affirmative and negative sentences are the types of assertive or declarative sentence only, because affirmative sentence affirms something is in a positive way. These are also the normal sentences, and the negative sentence are the sentences which affirm in a negative way. Here we use not, never, like anything in which we say it is not doing, anything which implies the not, like he never tells a lie, I cannot complete this work today, I don't know how to perform the experiment, and all. Now What are exclamatory sentences? Sentences which ends basically with exclamation mark and expresses sorrow, pity, wonder, wish and other feelings in an emphatic way. What is an emphatic way? Emphatic way which implies anything clearly, like what a weather it is, hurrah, we have won the match. And other examples are what a tragedy, how fast time flies, how fast time flies. Okay. And students, there are also the parts of a sentence. Part of the sentence is basically a subject and predicate, which we'll discuss in some other classes. And then now let me tell you some basic of the grammar also. Grammar basically deals with the parts of speech. These are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. All these we'll discuss in later classes. Thank you. Hope you like my class. Whatever is your feedback, please let me know in the comment section. And whatever are your doubts, your queries, please let me know so that I can resolve it as early as possible. And please like and subscribe my channel so that I can give you more information on other topics of grammar, of business communication. In my other classes, I will tell you about the parts of sentence, that is subject and predicate, about the structural type of sentences, that are simple, complex and compound sentences, and I'll discuss about the parts of speech of grammar, that is noun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction and interjection. And I also run other channel that is by the name of Natural Beauty 910, where I deal with other topics. So please like and subscribe that channel also, that it is by the name of Natural Beauty 910. Now thank you, bye bye, and hope your day goes well. Bye bye.